Showers and thunderstorms are rumbling across the valley tonight. First alert weather days continue right through your weekend. For heat, temperatures way above average will continue, and we want to remind you a few ways and things you can do to stay cool. Number one, stay hydrated. Loose fitting clothing always is a help during this type of weather. Find shade if you're outside working and feeling warm. It can be 15 degrees colder in the shade. Check that back seat for kids and pets. Never leave them in your car. And remember, if you do start overheating, feeling dizzy, or the signs of heat exhaustion or heat stroke, get an ice bath going and cool off as fast as you can. And call 911 if you have or come across someone who is unconscious. When core temperature starts going up, bad things can happen. Here's showers and storms moving northward through the Devil's Lake Basin. Once again, these are slow, creepy crawling systems, very isolated in nature, hit and miss at best. And looking up here, we have these showers moving slowly, 15 to 20 miles per hour to the north, through Devil's Lake now and heading into the northern reaches of Benson County. Brockett, you're in the path of the storm. Just entering into the Michigan area. See the outflow from the storm here. That's that little white or light green line, I should say. Those, well, rain-cooled outflows can really cause your temperatures to fall to a more comfortable level for a brief time. 17-mile-per-hour motion of this cell moving into the Breckenridge area. It's not severe. Wyndmere, you have some cells around you. And check this one out here, North Moorhead, just north on 75 here, we have a cell that's developing here, and it's moving to the northeast towards Georgetown once again, just like last night. So these will cause another burst of cooler air to blow into the FM area. We've gone from the low 90s down to the low 80s as a result of these thunder showers around. 88 Fergus Falls, 80 for our neighbors up in Grand Forks, and 75 rain-cooled degrees in the Devil's Lake Basin. It is sticky out there. Air you can wear. It's oppressively humid with dew points around 70 degrees. Here's that northern metro shower moving through North Moorhead and heading out of here. 83 degrees on the thermometer. We have a few storms down to the south of us we'll be watching this evening, but our chances for showers and thunderstorms will diminish as we get past sunset tonight, particularly after around 10 o'clock. Overnight, some patchy areas of fog possible, and that'll quickly diminish. Temperatures mid and upper 60s to start. We're going to ramp it up into the mid 90s tomorrow. Spotty thunderstorm chances once again, but even more spotty than tonight, and our risk of severe is low. Because it's more spotty, Fargo and Grand Forks will have a chance at getting into those low to mid 90s once again, maybe even those upper 90s briefly like we saw yesterday. It's going to be a hot weekend, so again, stay cool. Check out a cool shot here. Glenn capturing this Cass County wonder at Brewer Lake. What a stunning photo. All right, your planning forecast does look like our temperatures are going to be soaring and searing as we go through the weekend with only spotty thunder shower chances. Again, those crops really greening up and emerging out of the soils now. We briefly cool off on Tuesday, and our rain chances really diminish as we go through the remainder of next work week and the upcoming weekend. A little bit of relief from the heat maybe with lower 80s late the upcoming weekend as we approach the middle of June.
You know it's hot when we're talking about low to mid 80s being a relief from the heat.
Right, exactly.
Thanks, Hutch. Still ahead, an emotional send-off for an East Grand Forks 17-year-old who passed away suddenly recently. How he's now, even in death, being able to help many others.